Hi, my name is Caitlin Ecker, and today we are going to learn how to use Novelist Plus's Appeal Mixer. This is a great option when you're looking for a new book with a similar feel to one you've read before. First, scroll down the Novelist homepage to just above the Browse Genres button. There you'll find Try Our Appeal Mixer in blue. After clicking on the link, choose your age preference at the top, then fill out the categories. I'm going with teen as the age range. Then tone, character, and pace for my 3 appeals. Tone is amusing. And as you may notice, there is a number in parentheses stating the amount of results that option has. I'm choosing sarcastic for character and fast-paced for pace. Next step is to click the orange Find Titles button and browse the results. I only got 8 results and none of them look interesting. So I can then choose to scroll down and look at the pre-selected books in other appeal categories, or to go back and change my categories. So maybe I'll try adult this time. Still with the same stuff. So we want a amusing tone, character is I don't see sarcastic here, so we'll go with sassy. And then pace is fast-paced. This was much better. This has been a short tutorial on how to use the Novelist Plus Appeal Mixer, so I wish you well on finding your next read, and happy hunting!